Hello everybody, welcome to a DCME tutorial. Today's tutorial will be showing you the training management and functionality within the DCME console. This functionality allows you to manage your staff's training needs. It monitors the training that they have completed, and it ensures that they stay compliant with their training. It will send you updates to let you know a month prior to when a training course is due to expire. That will give you the necessary time to schedule in the additional training for your staff member to ensure that all their mandatory training is always in date and you always remain compliant for the CQC and the local authorities. So let's go into the section where you access your training. So you go to HR and you will go to training management. So this section is where you add your training courses. Now this can be multiple training courses. This will have all your training courses that your staff will be required to complete. Also you can add one-off training courses just so you can keep a record within your system. So for today's example, we'll show you manual handling, which is a requirement for all home care support workers to have. So what we do here is we add the training course. So the name of the training course, manual handling. We then say the renewal period. So this is how often that staff member are required to, redo or refresh that training. So we'll say 12 months. So that is that this staff member is supposed to do manual handling training every year. We now say if it's mandatory or non-mandatory. Now, if it's mandatory, we click the mandatory option. This will trigger an email alert to be sent to the administrator who's responsible for organising the training 1 month prior to that training course expiring. So, and if we to click non-mandatory, which could be a one-off course, you won't get an alert to say that training course is due to expire to organise a new training course. So we click save. So as you can see, that's now been added to manual handling. Now let me just go to where you would add the person who would receive that email alert. So if you go to email alert settings, you have the option here, email to receive staff training reminder. So this is the email address you would put in for the individual who organises staff training. Okay. Once we've now added that to the system, we will then add a training course for a staff member. So let's go to our staff members. Let's look at Daniel Lawrence, and let's say he's done his training course for manual handling. So we click the training menu. As you can see, there's no training courses. We add the training certificate that he's now received from completing the course. So we select the training. This is based on the training courses that we've added to the system. So if you need more courses, you will need to add them to the system. We click manual handling, the day the training was completed. So let's click today. So automatically the renewal date for them to have do their new training will be the 19th of January 2025. We can upload the certificate. So let's upload that certificate, desktop, manual handling certificate. Submit. Now you can see I've got a record of Daniel Lawrence completing a manual handling training course on the 19th of January. It needs to be renewed by the 19th of January 2025. What will happen is on the 19th of December 2024, an email will be sent from the console to say Daniel Lawrence training course is due to expire in manual handling. Please can you arrange a new course? And you can also view the certificate if you ever need a copy, or you need to send it to the staff member, or you need it as evidence by clicking on the view certificate. There you go. So that's the conclusion of the training course and the training functionality within the DCME console. I hope this will help you guys to keep on top of your training. But as always, if you do have any questions, either contact your key account manager or send us an email via the support option within the admin console. Thank you very much.